Thank you so much for joining us in this workshop today. We will be discussing mental wellness and addressing stress, what it is, and what we can do about it. First, let's be clear on the definitions of these terms. Mental wellness, a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. Stress, a feeling of being overwhelmed or unable to cope with mental or emotional pressure. Stress management is a wide spectrum of techniques and psychotherapies aimed at controlling a person's level of stress, especially chronic stress, usually for the purpose of and for the motive of improving everyday function. Today we will be addressing three main categories: untangling the stigma, stress versus the body, which includes ways stress affects your body and ways you may or may not even be aware are side effects from stress, and leaning into a better headspace, how to address stress so that you maintain power over it and stress does not have power over you. Untangling the stigma. What is stigma and what it does? Stigma is a mark of disgrace associated with a particular circumstance, quality, or person. When stigmas are perpetrated in healthcare, it can limit outreach from those in need, fewer opportunities for honesty, and more chances to misunderstand the needs of others. When we give in to stigma, we are giving in to our tendency to overlook the needs of those around us, because it's easier or more comfortable than dealing with the discrepancies of health for those around. How we can be better than stigma. Create opportunities for communication. Talk openly about mental health. The more we discuss mental health, the more we normalize discussing mental health. It's up to us to take the taboo out of stress management. Educate yourself and others. By educating ourselves, we can help educate those around us and spread awareness. Show compassion and be honest. Others may need your bravery. By showing compassion and being honest, we may create opportunities for others to share when they might have otherwise been scared to share their circumstance. These are just a few common symptoms of stress. Stress can cause all or any combination of these or others: headache, muscle tension, fatigue, sleep problems, anxiety, lack of motivation, irritability, restlessness, social withdrawal, over or under eating, and many other symptoms can be contributed to stress factors. Strategies for combating stress fall into two main categories: physical and mental. Some physical strategies for stress management include getting regular physical exercise, practicing relation techniques, spending time with friends and family, setting aside time for hobbies, and these hobbies themselves don't need to be physical. Reading a book, can sometimes be a great stress management tool. And also, getting plenty of sleep and eating healthy. Some mental strategies for stress management include practicing pausing before responding. Re-examine your daily outlook. Try seeing the humor in situations. Set realistic goals and expectations. This can include your daily, weekly, or long-term goals. Are you overreaching and stretching yourself thin by expecting too much? Also, track what triggers your stress. The more information we are able to learn about our stress, the easier time we'll have managing it. When we know what sets our stress levels up, we're able to figure out the best management tools for that particular stress trigger. By acknowledging and addressing stress, we remove the control it has over our life and can begin managing it in a healthy and productive way. Thank you for joining us today for this workshop. I hope you have learned something useful and gotten meaningful insights from this workshop. Please let us know any feedback you have. Anything we can do better, anything you would like to see added, or other situations you would like to see this information shared in. Thank you so much for your participation. For more information, please find us at commoncorewellness.healthcare.com.